Hi everyone, my name is Mukesh Kushwaha, and in this video we are going to do setup for Python development. So first of all, we need two softwares. For any programming language, we generally need two kind of softwares run and program in that particular language. First, code editor. Code editor like VS Code, PyCharm, other editors also, Notepad plus plus or and some pre-built any piece of software that can help you write something, and you need an editor basically to write your code. First program. Second program is a compiler या फिर interpreter which will help you convert that written code to something which computer can understand and execute. All such programs is compiler. So we going to install two software. Code editor में we are going to install VS Code, and in compiler we will be using standard Python compiler or interpreter, है ना? तो लेट्स डू इट. सो हमें पहले एक ब्राउजर खोल लेना है. मैंने ब्रेव खोल रखा है. आपको जाना है, VS कोड सर्च करना है, एंड द फर्स्ट लिंक यू सी VS कोड, ये वाला. दिस वन इज द code editor that we will be going to use. Just go and download for your device, whatever device you are on, and you have to click on this blue button and it will download you. मैंने यहाँ पे डाउनलोड कर लिया है, and it will download VS Code for Windows or Mac or whatever device you are using, and install it. Okay? Second thing that you need to do is go and install Python. इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? Python हमारा इंस्टॉल करना है. We go to the downloads page. यहाँ पे you can see some, you will be able to see something like this, and you have to click on this download Python. The latest version will be visible here. You can download for whatever device you are on and click on the download button. It will also open a pop-up और यहाँ पे आप जाके उसे डाउनलोड कर लीजिए. तो मैंने दोनों डाउनलोड कर लिया है, VS Code एंड Python. दिस इज माय पर्सनल प्रेफरेंस फॉर एडिटर्स. VS Code मुझे पसंद है, एंड Python के लिए तो इंस्टॉल करना ही पड़ेगा. अब आपको जानना है इन योर डाउनलोड्स डायरेक्टरी, और यहाँ पे यू विल बी एबल टू सी टू सॉफ्टवेयर्स. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक करके इसे रन एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर कर लेना है. जैसे ही आप रन एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर करोगे, ये इंस्टॉल शुरू हो जाएगा. क्लिक कर दीजिए. मैंने इंस्टॉल किया हुआ है तो इसलिए इंस्टॉल नहीं हो रहा है, बट आपके केस में ही इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा. दूसरे केस में क्या होगा, दूसरा क्या करना है, सेम इस पाइथन में भी ऐसे ही करना है, एंड आके आपको रन एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर कर देना है. जैसे आप रन, मेरे में पहले से भी इंस्टॉल्ड है तो ये मैं नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन यस यस करते जाना है, एंड इट विल फाइनली इंस्टॉल all the things that is required. Once it is installed in your computer, आप can go here and search VS Code. या आप VS Code ऐसे एंटर करोगे, कुछ ब्लैंक विंडो इस तरह का ओपन हो जाएगा. इस तरह का कुछ सेटअप करने को आ सकता है. You have to just click yes, 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 and you will be able to see this screen. Once you are on the screen, you can open a folder. So, so this is that software which will help us write the code. Okay, and VS Code will automatically integrate with Python and help us run our code. So let me explain what I'm saying. Let's open a new folder. Okay, यहाँ पे जाओगे, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें धीरे धीरे हम समझेंगे what all this means, what all this do. But let's start with a new folder. Like, to wherever you want, you can create one folder, whatever basically downloads or whatever the root paths you want to. But I'll go in documents and create a new folder called hello python. Select the Once you select the folder, it'll ask you for, and yes, I trust the, and you will be here inside the folder. So whatever folder you selected will open here. This particular folder that you selected, now for what folder is basically a group, like it's a collection of files, collects and keeps your files together. तो हमें पहले एक फाइल लिखनी पड़ेगी, एक डॉक्यूमेंट. We have to write one document which will help us, and in those documents our code will be there. It's like a paper, it's like a piece of paper which will be writing your code. Let's go and write hello.py. So any Python program will have .py extension. This part is called extension, and any file is in Python will have generally .py, hello.py. Now, if you see, you can write a bunch of things. My name is Mukesh. A you, but this is not a Python program. So one, you could see that you can write anything here. This is code and editor where you can write whatever you wish. But this is a special kind of editor called code editor. Here we write our program. So let's write our first line in Python is print. ऐसे लिख रहा हूँ. I'm just follow the way I'm doing. We will be able to. I will explain you later as we go ahead in the course. Hello Python within single quotes. Print bracket quotes hello Python. And now this is our first program. This will run something and print something in our console. What do we mean by console? We'll get to know in the minutes. But you can in the right left side of your screen, you can see this button, this play kind of button. If you hover over it, you can see run Python file. So somehow this VS Code got integrated with the Python installed. We installed Python, isn't it? Install the software. We installed Vegas. Somehow VS Code has recognized that there is Python installed in your computer. And it's showing that I can run this Python file, .py file. Let's click on it. So we have written code in VS Code and we are going to run it via the compiler or interpreter of Python. Click here. You can see something like this somewhere. And you might be seeing here in the bottom, or if you have done different settings, it will appear here. See, it prints hello Python here. This is what we call running your application and getting the output on console. So this black screen is called console. Black screen is called console. This is your program. You are running it with Python. Congratulations, you have completed your first program in Python, the basic printing part. In any other language, if you see, you will, in order to print just this hello Python, you have to write a bunch of lines. But here you see just so simple. You just write one function, print hello Python, and it does everything for you. Not to write the extra boilerplates that we do in import files. Like in C++, we have to import stdio.in h and namespace, main function, and a lot of things. In Python, in Java, in Python, it's not like this. In Java, it's more complicated than C++. And I don't know, a lot of languages have this kind of things. Python is so simple. You just print and it works. Okay. So that's all in this video. We have finally installed, done the setup. One more thing, if you are not comfortable with this and for some reason you're not able to install, you can also do a different setup which is called uh, Anaconda. Go in your browser, Anaconda, search Anaconda. You'll be able to see and unleash AI innovation value, whatever. But this particular thing, Honda.com. Go there, download it, download, click on the download. They will ask you for an email. Just enter your email, whatever email you have, then click on yes and submit. What they will give you, and you will be able to receive an email from Anaconda where they will be giving you the download link. In this link, you can basically download the new Anaconda version that you have. After downloading, you need to do install that, and once you install Anaconda, you can go and search here Anaconda. It's a bit heavy because it comes built in with a lot of tools, so it's very heavy. Might not prefer it, but for some reason, some people prefer it because it comes with a bunch of things. Okay, you can see here it has a lot of things. What you really need is this something called Spider. Spider will help you need to launch it. Click on Spider, launch it for you. Click on yes for everything that you get in the middle. Keep everything default, and you will be able to see something like this in your after a few minutes on Spider. Spider is a tool basically built in. It helps you write and compile Python code. So basically, this is your editor, and somehow Python is automatically comes in with Anaconda. So you don't need to install Python separately. You can just install Anaconda, and everything will be done for you. So here also let's do something like we write our first program here. We can write print. So and this will work for you. You can click on the run button here and run the program for you. This is your output on the console. So this is the console here. This is the console here. This is your editor. You write your code here and you see the output here. Okay. In VS Code, it was different. Uh, it's more useful. And one more thing that you can do in VS Code is you can go here extensions and install Python extension. Search Python. What extensions will get in detail, but you can install Python. You can search here. Here, click on this and close this terminal and go here and click on install. You'll be able to see install here. Basically helps you and like helps you check whether you're writing the code properly or not, and it also gives you intelligence. It will auto complete, help you auto complete your code so that you don't have to write much. Okay, that's all guys in this video, and we're going to learn our first chapter on new things in the coming videos. That's all, and subscribe to this channel and like video if you liked it. This helps us keep motivated, and also it helps us be motivated and make videos for you all. You can also join our community on WhatsApp and WhatsApp group where like, we can help you with fine details. Like if you have any doubts, you can ask definitely in that group, and we'll be very happy to help you. Thank you. The next video. Bye bye.